My client was involved in an automobile accident with an 18-wheeler. He'll have difficulty with his legs and walking for the rest of his life. Hello, and thank you for joining me. My name is Ben Schmitt. I'm an attorney practicing personal injury and insurance law in Kansas and Missouri. My client was driving his truck along an interstate in Missouri one day, and he came upon a very slow-moving semi. This semi suddenly and unexpectedly switched lanes right in front of my client, causing my client to strike the rear of the vehicle. Claim was made that the semi was moving below the minimum speed limit. The driver denied it. Once suit was filed, we proved that in fact my client's version of the accident was appropriate and the correct version. How did we do this? The truck companies are required to keep very detailed log notes. Also, they have electronic tracking devices. Through discovery, which discovery simply means asking questions of a defendant and getting their documents, we obtained all appropriate information. Once I had this information, and I knew from the electronic tracking data where the truck had been and when it had been there, and from the driver's log notes, what the driver claimed, where the truck had been and what had happened, I knew there was a discrepancy. As I began to take the deposition of the truck driver at various points feigned illness during the course of the deposition. A deposition is merely a question-and-answer session under oath. In the end, it was quite clear that our version of the events, that our client was the one who was wronged and who was harmed in this case, turned out to be true. That case was settled for in excess of $1 million. You're watching this video because you've had a similar traffic accident, perhaps with a semi-truck, perhaps with a motorcycle or automobile. You have questions. I handle these cases every day. I can answer whatever question you might have. My name is Ben Schmitt. Thank you for watching this video.